Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you some of the tips and tricks that you guys are missing out on your Samsung Galaxy phone with your lock screen. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you will have to go into the settings, and from here you have to tap on wallpaper option. After going into the wallpapers, tap on change wallpapers. Now tap on this photo ambient. After tapping on photo ambient, you will have to select an image that you want to use a wallpaper for. So if you talk about the photo ambient, so it will show the live effect of the weather outside. So let's say if it is raining outside, so it will show this rain effect on your wallpaper. Or if there is snow outside, so it will show this snowfall effect. Similarly, different weather effects will be shown using the AI. After selecting it, simply tap on done, and these settings will be applied on your lock screen. By the way, if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates and tips and tricks. Now let's move on to the next step. So if you're in a lock screen and if you're bored of this font, so you can now change it. There are multiple styles available by default, but you can add some more styles as well. These were the two styles available with the One UI 7, but you can add some more styles with the new app. So to download this app, you just have to first of all download this clock face application from the Good Lock app. You have to install this Good Lock application right over here. Then you have to download this clock face. After downloading the clock face, you will get to see multiple clock styles available. As you can see, when you will tap on face, so there are multiple clock faces available to choose from. All of these clock faces are available for free at the moment, so you can choose the one that you like. Let me know in the comment section that which one is your favorite. And not only that, after selecting, you can also edit it. You can enlarge or change the location of this clock face. Furthermore, customizations like the color and the font change is also available with the clock face. So in short, you can change the clock face according to your need. And once done, simply tap on done and the changes will be applied on your lock screen. Also, if you want a shortcut for the app, so that is also possible. Simply tap on lock star, then tap on show favorite apps. So now you can add your favorite apps to the lock screen. The benefit of adding the favorite apps on the lock screen is that you can directly access them easily from here. You can also relocate them by simply long pressing. And by any chance you do not want them, so you can simply turn the toggle off. Furthermore, there are multiple other options also available with the lock star that you guys can see over here. And if you talk about the further tips and tricks, so you can also change the design of the lock icon over here. There are multiple lock icons available, or you can also add some pictures from the gallery. And for the face recognition system, you can change the color of that circle as well. Also for the quick action, so you can change that as well. You can change any action of here, or you can add some apps to launch directly from here. This is quite easy and useful if you want to launch any app directly from here. This is how I customized my lock screen for me. Let me know your customization in the comments below, and there is another always on display mode option that you guys are missing out. So as you know that from the lock screen you get to see this nav bar, but you can also change the controls by double tapping. On a single tap it will not affect anything, but if you will double tap, it will change the song or pause the song. This is how you can control the live activities on the always on display mode. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the lock screen customizations that you guys might be missing out. So check them out and let me know in the comment section that which one was your favorite. And if you're new to this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.